Hi everyone, welcome back, and today I'll be showing you a very quick, easy and delicious recipe and a zero oil Malai broccoli in air fryer that's not just healthy but super delicious with amazing flavors that will blow your taste buds. So let's begin with this quick and interesting broccoli recipe. And here I've taken some broccoli cut into medium sized florets like this, and I have blanched them in salt water for 1 to 2 minutes to get rid of any insects or chemicals. And now let's prepare the marination batter to coat the broccoli florets. For that we'll take a mixer jar and into it we will add some cashews soaked in hot water. Next goes 6 to 7 garlic pods, 1 inch of ginger cut into smaller portion, 2 green chillies or as per your spice level, as well as the soft stems of coriander as they have so much of flavors in them. And now we need to grind this into a very smooth paste. Let's check now. And our cashew, ginger garlic and green chilli paste is ready. Next we'll take a large mixing bowl and into it goes 3 tablespoons of thick curd or dahi. Then goes around 3 tablespoons of the cashew, ginger garlic and green chilli paste, 1 tablespoon of malai or fresh cream. Then goes some grated processed cheese which will give a cheesy flavor to our malai broccoli. And now we'll add some spices. Here goes some salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or zeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, as well as some crushed kasoori methi leaves. We'll now mix all the ingredients well until they are well combined. And our creamy malai batter is ready to coat the broccoli florets. And here goes our slightly blanched broccoli florets into the creamy malai batter. And now we need to very gently coat the broccoli florets with this creamy malai batter. See to it that the broccoli florets are coated from all the sides with the batter. And we will let them rest for about half an hour. And now let's arrange the marinated broccoli florets into skewers, which will make it easier to flip the broccoli florets halfway through while cooking in the air fryer. And in the same way I will arrange the remaining broccoli florets in skewers. So our malai broccoli florets are arranged in skewers, and now time to air fry them. And I have lined the air fryer basket with perforated baking papers so that the basket remains clean, and I will grease the papers with some cooking oil. And now into this we will place the malai broccoli florets arranged in skewers. Also ensure that the skewers don't overlap each other and there is slight gap in between the skewers. And finally I will add some of the leftover marination batter on top of the broccoli florets so that they remain moist and juicy while getting cooked in the air fryer. And here goes our malai broccoli florets into the air fryer, and I will air fry them first for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. After 10 minutes we can see the top side of the broccoli florets have turned golden brown and crisp. And now we need to flip the skewer so that the other side of the broccoli florets also turn golden brown and crisp from outside. And now again we need to air fry them for another 5 minutes, and this time at 200 degrees Celsius. Let's check now. And our malai broccoli looks so yum and is now ready to be served hot. And here goes our deliciously creamy malai broccoli, crisp on the outside and so very flavorful. And these are best to be enjoyed as an appetizer along with a spicy green chutney. So friends, do try this delicious broccoli recipe. Also share your feedbacks, and we'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.